Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. This is a quick and efficient way to set up meetings without scheduling them through the calendar, making it perfect for spontaneous discussions or recurring team check-ins. First, let's navigate to the left side of your Teams interface. Here you'll see several options in the navigation panel. Look for the one labeled Meet and click on it. This section is your hub for all meeting-related activities in Teams, from joining scheduled calls to creating instant meeting links. Once you're in the Meet section, you'll notice several options available to you. What we're interested in right now is the option that says Create Meeting Link. Go ahead and click on it. This feature allows you to generate a meeting link instantly without having to go through the full scheduling process, which is incredibly handy when you need to set something up quickly. After clicking Create Meeting Link, a dialog box will appear asking you to provide some details. You'll see a field where you can input a meeting title, type in a descriptive name for your meeting, something that clearly indicates what the meeting is about. This helps both you and your participants understand the purpose at a glance. Once you've entered your title, click the button that says Create and Copy Link. This action generates your meeting link and automatically copies it to your clipboard, making it ready to share immediately. Now, the link will appear in your Meeting Links section. This is where Teams stores all the quick meeting links you've created, making them easy to find and reuse if needed. You'll see your newly created meeting listed there. Next to it, you'll find an option to share link. Click on this option to access the sharing features. At this point, the link is copied and ready to use. You now have the meeting link stored in your clipboard, which means you can paste it anywhere you need to share it. This could be in a chat message, an email, a document, or any other communication platform you're using with your team. Finally, simply give this link to the people you want to have a meeting with. They can click on it at any time to join the meeting space, making it a flexible solution for ongoing projects or quick catch-ups. The beauty of this method is that the link remains active and can be used multiple times, so you don't need to create a new one for every session. And there you have it, you've successfully created a shareable meeting link in Microsoft Teams that you can use whenever you need to connect with others. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.